Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add baggage on Flair Airlines. Here are the steps to add baggage to your booking on Flair Airlines. The first thing to do is to open your browser and go to Flair Airlines website at flyflair.com. So once you're in, on the top right corner of the home page, go ahead and click on sign in. Then enter your login credentials on the website. If you don't have an account, you can create one and link your booking. Just following the on-screen prompts, that's all. Now, once logged in, what you have in here, navigate to the help option, which is here at the top tab. So once you click on the help option, you can see a drop-down menu, and one of them you can find manage my booking. Another way is to click on My Bookings tab from the account dashboard. So let's say I'm clicking on My Bookings. Now, once you click on My Bookings, it's going to take you to your bookings page, which we have here. So all of your trips are here. All of your bookings are here. This is where you can manage all your bookings. Now in here, the first thing to do is to enter your reservation number, that's a booking reference number, and enter your surname, which is practically your last name. So enter your reservation number and your surname if your flights does not appear automatically. All right, then go ahead and click on Find My Trip. So once you click on Find My Trip, that's it. Find the booking for the flight to which you want to add baggage and click on the booking to find the details of your flight. On the booking summary page, locate the Add a Baggage or Add Services option. Now, once you do that, a new window will open showing different baggage options such as carry-on bag, checked bag, oversized or special baggage. Now, choose the type and number of bags you wish to add by selecting the corresponding option. After selecting your baggage options, the system will display the total baggage fees. Review the cost and ensure the correct baggage options are selected. Now, once you're satisfied with your selections, go ahead and click on Add Baggage or Continue to proceed to the payments page. Now, once on the payments page, enter your payments information, which could include credit card or other accepted payments methods, and complete the transaction. After payment is processed, you receive a confirmation email with your updated booking details, including the added baggage, and you can also view the updated information in the Manage Booking section of your account. Now, to ensure everything is correct, head over to My Booking section again and review the updated booking details. The baggage you added should now be reflected in your flight summary. And that's it. So go over to tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.